I am so thankful that this product came to the United States.
Magnestein Essence saved my life.
The benefit is that I've got my wife back.
The swelling and inflammation in my knees has gone down, and just the pain level in general has definitely gone down.
I had more energy than I knew what to do with.
This is my life and I love it.
My mom and I actually traveled to places as far away as Mexico and India to pursue alternative treatments, and I didn't find anything that significantly helped.
We are constantly bombarded with disease, pain, dysfunction, distress, injuries, disabilities, disorders, syndromes, infections, and the list goes on and on. Nutrition is crucial to our health, especially in a fast-paced world that is full of unhealthy foods. Many of today's medications, supplements, and superfoods target the boosting of our immune systems. But what if there existed a product backed by decades of scientific study and research that could reach the essence of true healing and pure health?
I didn't have to take ibuprofen on top of my prescription drugs, and I've definitely noticed that the swelling and inflammation in my knees has gone down.
This is my passion, to bring this product to the people of the United States. Welcome to my life.